Brian Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today we're going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the new Sig Sauer P322 in .22 caliber. Now, before you field strip and clean any firearm, you want to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead and drop the magazine out, set that to the side, and then we're going to double check, make sure there's no magazine inserted nor around the chamber, and we are good and clear to go. Now the firearm has been cleared, we're going to move into the disassembly of the P322. We're going to take this takedown lever, we're going to rotate from the 3 o'clock position up to the 11 o'clock. We're going to pull the slide back, lift the rear of the slide up, slide it back forward, and then the slide comes off of the frame. Now with the frame, we have a fixed barrel, all right? Fixed barrel. From here, you can do the type of cleaning you might need to do to this firearm, any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to your SIG P322. Now, getting back into reassembly, very simple, same thing in reverse, right? We're gonna insert the front of the barrel into the slide. We're gonna pull that slide back, we're gonna lower it back down, we're gonna slide it back forward and rotate the takedown lever back from 11 down to 3. Now, let's go ahead and get into a functions check of this fire and make sure that we put it back together properly. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and keep it pointing in a safe direction. We're gonna go ahead and pull that trigger to the rear and let go. We're gonna pull that slide to the rear and let go. Pull the trigger to the rear and let go. We're gonna pull that slide to the rear and let go. Now we're going to pull the trigger to the rear. We're gonna hold it to the rear. We're gonna pull a slide to the rear and let go. We're gonna release the trigger just until we hear and or feel that click. Then we're gonna pull the trigger again. Hold it to the rear again, pull the slide back and let go. And now what we're gonna do is release that trigger just until we hear and feel that click. We're gonna turn the safety on, which is on both sides, and we're gonna attempt to pull the trigger again, and it's not gonna go off. With that, we have now field stripped, reassembled, and functions checked our Sig Sauer P322. For more videos on how to take apart your firearm, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training, and hit that subscribe button, as we'll have more Field Stripping Friday videos coming every Friday. You got it right. Also, if you'd like to see a particular handgun done that is not yet on our channel, hit us up in the comments below. Let us know what you would like to see next on our channel here. Thank you all again, and as always, train, defend, prevail.